Hello everyone, I am Ashtha Pokar. Currently I am pursuing bachelor's degree from P P Savani University. My hobbies are singing, dancing and watching movies. I utilize my free time reading about ancient Ayurveda and watching movies. I am doing BAMS, that is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. I often used to hear about Ayurvedic medicine from my grandparents. They always used to treat me with Ayurvedic medicine when I was sick, which developed interest towards Ayurveda in me, due to which I decided to opt for Ayurvedic doctor after 12th. Ayurvedic medicine is the ancient medicine in India with long-term and no side effects. Ayurvedic medicines are the customized medicine prescribed to one with one's prakriti. Ayurvedic medicines are given different from person to person even if the diseases are same. PPSU has experienced faculties who are easy to approach, outstanding classrooms with smart boards for better understanding, high-tech lab for practical learning, digital library with n number of books, herbal garden to know the importance and preparations of Ayurvedic drugs, and also additionally we have Ayurvedic hospital to observe and learn things more better. PPSU has different kind of clubs. Even I am the part of one of it. Movie nights are planned for our entertainment purpose. Entrepreneurship programs are planned to build up entrepreneurship capabilities in students. Different kinds of grounds are present for different sports with a marvelous music room. I want to add value to a society by becoming a successful Ayurvedic doctor.